Good afternoon. I'm late, and I know that, but that's okay because what else are we doing today? Day 12 of distance learning, second grade, Mrs. Van Auken, April 14th, 2020. I say that I'm late, but not really. See, I was here sitting in my classroom. I spent 2 hours this morning on the phone with a parent, and it was truly amazing to connect with her as a teacher and a student's mom, and to connect with her as just two women who are teaching our children right now from home. Please, parents, if you want to talk to me as the teacher or just as a mom, I am here. Reach out. The communication is what is making this such a great success. So thank you to that mom and the other moms and dads and grandmas and grandpas and uncles and caregivers, just everybody who has been in communication with me as we continue to distance learn at Burnside Tech. Just a quick note, the mom was in fact reaching out to ask how her child was doing, and grades are being posted on Jupyter, so you can log in there to check and see how those online assignments are being graded. Please, again, reach out to me if you need to. I am available, and I have made those ways to get in touch with me pretty obvious for everyone. So we're not going to put that publicly on the YouTubes. Well, what are we doing today? We are going to check our checklist and have an ELA lesson able sort, math out of shape, and social studies natural resource product. So for our less and able sort, we're going to need 2 pieces of paper from our packet. The first one looked like this, and we're going to fold that in half right there. We are going to cut along this line also. Glue this into your distance learning notebook. We're then going to find this piece of paper, and we're only going to need the top half of it. We're going to read the root word, which is the first piece of the word that we see there, and then decide which suffix you could add to the end to make a new word. Glue it under the appropriate flap. So would we add care under less for careless, or care under able for care able? Which word sounds more right to you? And also, using our anchor charts, we will be able to see some examples of different words and also learn what those suffixes mean. So when we put able at the end of a root, able means that it can be done. You are all very teachable. I am able to teach you. When we put ed or ed at the end of a word, it makes it past tense. Full, full of. You are full of beauty. You are all very helpful in the classroom. You are full of help. And less means without. I am careless sometimes when I write and I don't put capital letters. Not good. Let's move on to math. Out of shape. Circle the shape that doesn't belong and explain your reasoning under the flap. Now, if you don't want to cut this out and place it into your notebook, you could just circle the shape, turn the page over, and write on the other side. But which one of these shapes does not belong? And explain. Moving down to our second one, I want you to know that here we're talking about the blackboard, the sign, this arrow is not a shape, but it's in fact pointing to the girl's earrings. And then this baseball field. For the third one right here, it is the flag, the picture frame, the blackboard, and the card. And this one down here on the bottom, I'm just going to challenge to see what you think. I do. Yes, I do know the answer to this, but I don't want to give any hints, tips, or tricks. I really want to see what my kids are thinking in their outside the box brains. And our last assignment, social studies, natural resource to product. It's actually a 2-page, looks like this. And if you go to our website, you can view this with all the colors. It makes the pictures a little more clear and easy to understand. There's also a great video that's been attached. But the question is, match the natural resource with its finished product that we use today. So for example, we see the chicken on one side. The chicken is the natural resource. What is the product that will come from the chicken? And again, some of these pictures might be a little hard to see. So if you want to visit the website, it is nice and clear. Cut those apart. Chicken, natural resource, its product across from it. That's our Tuesday, boys and girls. Please remember to check into Extra Math and Moby Max. We will have another Zoom Room Lunch Bunch on Thursday at 11:15. I will send you that invite through Teams. Please upload any work that you have been doing. Just take a picture of it and get it up there on the website so that I can grade it and get you those great grades that you deserve on Jupiter. So thanks so much. Have a great day. Love you. Oh, my mom pointed out that my fingers look dirty. Easter, everybody. Easter. Love ya.